Today's video we discuss about the power-up command in the Cloud Code terminal. So my name is Nadir Habib. So let's get started how the power-up command work. So first of all, the complete documentation I pick here and summarize in every each and point I guide you. And also in the terminal, I will completely explain for the power up command in the live use cases. So let's get started. So first of all, power up complete guiding. So imagine if you bought a new phone, it has 200 features, but nobody keep your manual. You only see 5 features for month, like calls, camera, WhatsApp. You never discuss the good stuff. And Power Up is like someone build a tutorial mode like Cloud Code, build some extra tutorials, yeah, resourcement, and you just write a command, and after that you see some more resources of some more others commands like inside the phones. You tap one button and teach you future by futures and animation. It exactly for the Power Up mode. So first, Cloud Code has 93 commands. In the Cloud Code, you see that has 93 commands like memory and like clear and clear conversation XYZ 93 commands. And for the beginner, just use a 5 commands in the daily use case, but 88 are useful command. They nobody no use. So what is the power up? Power up has 18 interactive animation lesson built directly with inside the Cloud Code. You type a command like power up and a menu appear. You pick a lesson and teach is live animation, no browser, no docs, and no YouTube tutorial needed. In that's the power up node. It's updated on April 26. Version is if you check that your cloud version is updated, and every month is beginner and advanced user. Beginner learn from scratch, advanced user discover features more month free. Like if the new features come, the power up, you can use a power up command and also check that new features working, how they use. So first you go to how to run that command. So go to the your VS Code, you go to the your terminal. It's basically same in the terminal and the VS Code. You just write CLAUD cloud, and after that they get permission, and you just enter the Cloud Code is working, and here you ask the power up mode. You can also uh, like that here, and also you go to the here on VS Code and turn on, but that terminal is good inactive and visualize form. So I use the cloud command from here like CLAUDE cloud, and here's the, you see that that is the version v2, you see that, and my model is use and effort is the medium. I use the effort is medium like that. You ask them that is the effort medium, high, and high max and effort low. So high effort and cloud pro are using the subscription, and that is my web app on that port. So just write here like slash is the command and the write a power up, and check that his the power up has 10 10 inactive commands like talk to your code base. You can also talk to with the code base. I just entered it, and you see that there is the animations, and here's the demo what does that types a file and reference specific like screens app, and the cloud jump straight there, and you just need to what's the mean like at the rate and folder to host a file. So I some demo pick here. So you go to here and go to the src. I type here and go to the cloud code and slash here, and you see that that is the complete. I pick here's any kind of file and folders. So I pick scs or C file. You see that I pick my file, and that is the complete command. You see that is the you cloud jump directly straight in your files like work directions, cloud cities files, and same way. So click open and then editor. If you need that file is specific any kind of editing, you just pick here like at the rate, and I just write here Claude.md. I pick here two files and I ask them, hey, need data changes. The cloud understand more. The user want specific files for need that changes. So I go here, and here's the enter. If you read that skills like command, you can also know, you just press enter and that command is be activated. And if you now back, you can also escape button click. I just click here because I read that power of skills like one task is completed and another one is the street with nodes, the shifted plan auto mode. So what that's mean of that command? So you see that here's the press shift tab. You can also change the mode. It's mean that is the mode changes step. Like you can also in a VS Code or terminal, you just change your agent mode, like your active mode, like by edit automatically, plain mode, and bypass permissions. So edit automatically if you are running a code like the cloud, when they need some specific permission, they also talk with you, hey, can I that automatically changes? Not if the plain mode, you pick that plain mode in the cloud, any kind of working, they give you a plain what I work on your project. I give you complete summary, and after that you execute that, then I work them. The bypass permission, you completely give the complete permission on the cloud. Hey cloud, you have complete permission, you working, you commands, everything kind of uh, permissions you send by the cloud. It's bypass permission. You go to the setting and enable that bypass permission on the cloud. So understand? So first of all, there shift and tab, you see here, uh, like as before editing, and shift and tab, you can change also the mode from here, shift or tab. You just pick shift or tab, you can also change from here the mode. And the accept edit, the plan and use plan, and also ask them, yeah, some more commands also to ask him, like use plan, big factories, review first, and use auto. If you use auto for long, auto means like cloud automatically decide your plan mode for behalf of your conversation history, and run permissions to pre-allow specific command to cloud step asking about them, like permission. In that is the command is the permission is not available in directly command in terminal. You never use in here, you just need to the terminal. So right here, so I come to again I go to here, uh, again I set up one more terminal, and you see that I just write here the cloud, and I write here the permissions, like go to here. You can also ask them permissions for specific needs, like you don't want like XYZ activities for the cloud. Don't check my dat file, like don't check my env files, like don't check my XYZ ordinary informations. You can also write here and add a new role and just enter that, and after that you save changes on the permissions node. It's a very powerful. So you go to again, I mark that fill, like my two commands, it's done. And undo anything, like if you run any kind of commands and that working on the cloud give you any kind of changes, you don't like that changes, you can also rewind your back information. So undo, like control Z is pressing for if you're using any kind of tool, it's similar. You see that escape if you need if you're working on any kind of projects. So you double escape button press and rewind, and here has no message yet to rewind. So if I working on that and more 3 to 5 conversation, I double tap skip, and I backward on my some projects. So it's that I skip that button and I backward, and if you done that skills, you just press enter and clear and brush. What is the clear and command the branch? Clear means you, if you cloud in working on some specific informations about the sessions, you just clear conversations, and after that you all the conversation is deleted, and you can usage more tokens and save your tokens like 1 million per token. You can also save your API keys on the cloud, and that is the vibes conversation but key files. The branch frogs conversation require two approaches. The branch means that approach two commands like if one and more two, that two commands, and after that the finals and they work out like the branch. You see that that is the br, and here's has no command I show. I go to the term, but some command has in the VS Code UI panel has no run. You can also check from here. You can also be a branch. You can also create a branch of current conversation at the point. I just go to here and also ask them understand and go to the again I click OK in three commands of the power up I just done, and then in background like task and task. Words that's mean let's build for test source and block you add to. You can also read that and working on behalf of your F futures and your working styles. So run tasks to see everything in flight. Cloud can read tasks output mid run and read failures automatically. Like a task is basically if you that command is not working in the VS Code, you can also run that command on your terminal, so everything is flagged. And you can also test that command in according your projects. I go to below teach cloud your rules like Claude.md and the slash of the memory. Like Claude.memory is basically if you deploy the new project and new project on working, and here's the some instructions you give a cloud in every sessions, like you write here hey cloud I need that website, and after that they give you complete prompt, and after you ask them hey cloud I need that my requirement and that my website. It's complete two sessions, and that two sessions is loaded in the Claude.md and slash memory. In every conversation you also cloud know what's the people in my memory, what's people want for me in the Claude.md. In every sessions they get the best use case for the Claude.md. You can also 150 lines of Claude.md file is best for every sessions, because your API's limitations like your tokenizations is if you make a Claude.md 500 lines in every sessions you lost your limitations for the tokenization. So I go to here on the terminal and extend with tools like MCP tools, and here you can also connect your MCP servers and slash MCP. And you can also use MCP server like Anytime, like Slacks and XYZ MCP for this command and automate your workflow like skills and hook. Skills is very depth topic. Like skill sets mean if anybody has like Facebook ad skills. I have no any skills of the Facebook ad, how I run that Facebook ads. If I make a cloud Facebook ad skills, and the cloud know that skills, how I execute that skill and how I run that Facebook ads on my skills. Cloud skills are specific of the instructions and reads and conversation history. The cloud understand the what is the skill of the Facebook ads. Not every sessions they get data on the website and get that data on their LLMs models, LLM chains, like they extract data on the skills format. So here go to the like slash uh, again I go to the terminal and cloud, and here's I again I have skills. You can also list available of the skills like my total skills in my cloud cloud account. You can also update your cloud skills in globally. If you globally uploaded, that skills are you see here, like cloud python skill, cloud syntax, cloud validations, cloud partner, and cloud javascript, and some more basic skills on the cloud, like doc file skill, like pdf skills, like excel skill, xyz skills, cloud save also here. So I go to here and and hooks. You can also view hooks configuration for tools and events. You can also set up your hooks pre tools use, before tools executions, what tools you execute for the each conversations, and tools use failures, permissions denied, and notifications. You can also check that hooks and also more, but I got complete. So I cover up MCP skills and hook and subagents. Like subagents, multiple yourself, like uh, like you see that is my two sub agents. I prompt here, like my one prompt here, and second prompt here, and third cloud code I enter here, and third prompt I pick here, and fourth prompt it's my sub agent, like sub agent 1, sub agent 2, sub agent 3, sub agent 4, like that is working look like that. Cloud itself is parallel overlapping, and working is the exact one task. Like someone I give a task permission like UI, and some that is front end, that is the back end, and that is the xyz tools and use cases for this function, error debuggings, like that working on the cloud sub agent. Ask to use sub agent to execute 5 directories and watch a fun out. You can also fun out with the sub agents. Define specialized agents and test runner and code reviewer or doc writer, and tools and instructions run in agents and to manage them. Cloud tree and subagent run in isolated context for the true parallel sessions and branches. Like subagent, I guide you in the same, and the agents, I go to here again. I go to here and I ask here agent manage agents configurations. You can also running no sub agent are currently running, like you check here from the agent also. I go to the here and again code from anywhere. Remote control, you can also control your code base, remote control, and teleport also. And the last one is the dial and model. You can also click here the model is same, like go to here. You can also change that from here. Model, you can switch your model, like default sonnet 4.6. Opus is very crazy and very expensive, 2x usage versus sonnet. And Haku, you can also change your model from here, like a command like models, and you can also slash effort. You can also see that is the effort I use a medium, and here you can also change your effort in your terminal, like a slash also. The fast mode and same model faster output. It's a faster output give you provide. So in this you see that, so in this has 10 cloud powerful power up commands, and in which have some commands more, like total 18 commands we tested out in the power up mode. And so in this video here's the complete. You can some you see that you can in here, like your cloud code app, you can not here you can find a power up and the slash permissions, like commands that skills are working on your terminal in local your terminal. So I pick here for my terminal in the VS Code terminal, and I run here. So you see that the complete guiding from here, Anthropic shifted hidden, and the Claude.md I guide you. The tool for the code base I guide you. The plain mode guide you, and anything I guide you, and background I guide you. And the cloud, your roles, and Claude.md, and MCP servers, and hooks, and subagents, and everything in the plain mode. You can also in the clear. That is the some slashes. You can the plane is the plane you can change plain mode for the slash plan, and you can also clear conversation like a slash care. You can also check your posting like a slash cost you here and post. You see here like you are currently using a subscription to power using cloud. It's mean I not using a cloud console like APIs. So in this case, so that is working for the your API costing sessions like a between side questions and cloud work, and cloud asking a questions like BTW. If you click like cloud some questions solved with you and give you some good answer. The buddy is a pet like act as 18 species, 5 rarity tier, shipped same day as a power up. When a power up launches update, that same day is buddy come, nobody talk about like. Take 6 common beginner mistakes. Mention that here save your viewers. So first is no updating cloud code before running power up. Unknown commands, npm update g. You can also use that if you need a fix them. You can also use that command. Not opening a project folder before using a cloud code. It's mean you see that that is my terminal, and here's has no any project selected. Like I select here, yeah, file name Nade, Habib, like that. I ask them. Uh, it basically you could select your files like portfolio side, and here the slash like cd. You can also select that file, and after that you push any kind of codes like skills and working. If you not use select your file, that is useless for your working. In the VS Code is working on your attached with the all files. So here's you see that that is the files you selected. And the third one of the mistakes, you select your plane first. You go to the and here and you select your plan like plan. It's you can also select your plane mode, yeah, XYZ models, plane permissions, and also check your models first. Go to the slash and model, switch model. You see that which model you use, because for the 80% use case for the Sonnet 4.6 is best model, and Opus 4.6 for the uh, most high languages purpose using coding purpose. So the fourth mistake is Claude.md, re-explaining the project in single sessions. First of all, you make a Claude.md file in every. You see that that is my Claude.md file I make in every sessions Cloud. Now, what about my according files? It's look like your brain. It's look like your memory. So the fifth mistake is closing Cloud Code mid-lesson. Progress is lost. Finish one lesson before closing. You in the Cloud Code, if you working any kind of one details, you pick, uh, you refine that one details when that not close. You not jump out another kind of information. If you working on the front end, you ask them, hey, make my front end and connect them also back end. That is linking bonding. So Cloud know how I build and front end and back end connected and XYZ detail and what the user want the output. They always comment your code and before getting cloud make a changes, and you can use my tips and tricks. So slash commands is very useful. Sonnet 4.0 as a default model is a faster, cheaper, and now 1 million context window. Now you see that the Cloud Sonnet 4.0 is the best model. If you love that video, and you also like, share, and subscribe the channel. So goodbye, take care.